Oh, I'm nervous. I have been preparing myself a lot for this interview. This is really important for me. I need to get this job because it will help me grow professionally. Plus, the payment is really good. Why am I nervous? Because I think I'm too young for this job? No, no, no. I can't have this attitude. I am good enough to get this job, right? I'm sure I can make it. Come on, Daryl. You are the best for this job. You can do it. Good morning. I'm sorry for the delay. I had to go to the bathroom. Don't worry, sir. Good morning. I like your office. It has a nice design. Thank you. It has been recently remodeled. It has a modern design. Well, let's start with the interview. Your name is Daryl Madison, right? How are you, Mr. Madison? Yeah, that's my name. I'm fine, thank you. I hope you are also good. I don't know your name. Oh, I'm sorry. My name is Michael. I am Michael Root from the Human Resources Office. It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Root. I heard a lot about this company and I'm excited. That's good. What have you heard about us? Good or bad things? Oh, just great comments. I know this is one of the best companies in the country, sir. Well, that is true. We have won many prizes due to our skills and performance. But alright, I want you to tell me about yourself, please, Mr. Madison. Sure, well, you already know my name. I am from this country. I was born here. I currently live in Rosetown with my family. I live with my mom, dad, and my two brothers. I have studied at Martha's Elementary and High School. I graduated in 2012. When I was 17, I decided I wanted to study law, and that's why I went to college. I prepared myself for over 2 years before starting studying the career. I wanted to be prepared. During that time, I also understood that this was my passion. Well, it is my passion. I started to read and investigate a lot about laws and many other things related to that. Then I went to college and studied the law career for 5 years. It was difficult, but great. I graduated 2 years ago, being the best student of my generation. I'm proud of that. As you can see, I'm still young, but I have all the desire to start working right now if possible. That's interesting. Tell me something. How did you hear about this position? Oh, I read that on internet. You have a website and I usually check it because you give good information. Then last week I was reading the articles you posted and I saw you were requiring a lawyer. I see. It's good you check our website regularly. And why do you want to work here? As I told you before, this is one of the greatest company in the country, and that's the main reason. I know I can contribute a lot to this company, and also that you can help me grow professionally. All right. And why did you decide to apply for this position and not another one? I have specialized in this topic. I have taken courses and seminars, read books, and so on. Plus, one of my dreams has always been being a civil lawyer to help people. And I know you have a big office just for civil problems and many professional people. That's right. Now, I want you to tell me what your strengths are. I consider that my greatest strength is the ability to hear people. I am really good at that. And because of that, I can make a better analysis of the situation to take better decisions based on that. You know, as lawyers, our job is not only to solve problems, also do it in the best way possible. That's good. And what do you consider are your weaknesses, if you have one? Oh, of course I do. We all have weaknesses, and I am not perfect at all, sir. In fact, I think I have many weaknesses because I'm learning new things every day. But I love to have them. I work really hard every day to improve myself. And professionally speaking, I think one of my weaknesses is the lack of experience I have. I know you are used to work with experienced people who have 5, 10, or more years experience. And I have graduated 2 years ago. That's why I consider that as a weakness. But let me tell you that I can learn really fast. And if I ignore something, I investigate a lot about it. I see. And talking about your work experience, have you worked before? Oh, of course. Before graduating from college, I had started working as a lawyer. Or first as an intern and then as an official practitioner. I worked in Lara's company. I'm sure you know that company. Its office is next to this company's office. They are good too. Lara's company. That's great. And how did you manage to get that job? One day they went to my college asking for people who wanted to participate in a project. I applied to that project and then they told me I was good at that and that they wanted me to work with them. So I took an exam and then went through the regular interview and I started one day after. Impressive. Maybe you don't have a lot of experience at this position, but You have worked for an important company, being just a college student. I'll keep that in mind. And about this position, what abilities do you manage so you can do an excellent job here? Well, I can speak 3 languages: French, Chinese, and Spanish. I know that's important because you have to deal with people from different countries. I could learn this because of my family. My mom is from France and my dad from China. They came here to settle down many years ago. And about Spanish, I learned that while I was studying at college. I have an advanced level. I also work well with modern computer programs and important documents. Plus, I consider myself as a good leader too. I led large groups of people when I was studying to create important projects, and also I won a competition where I had to present a project. That's fantastic. To finish, how do you see yourself in 5 years? To be honest, I would like to create new projects in this company. Projects that can help people. And of course, it will benefit the company interests. I have some ideas to propose. That's professional speaking. And about my personal life, of course, I want to have a family. And are you able to relocate? You know, we have a lot of branch offices. I have no problem with that. In fact, it will be an amazing new experience for me. Great. Well, I don't have more questions, Daryl. You were good. I can't give you a confirmation right now, but you were really good. I think you can make it. I just have to talk to the general manager about this interview, but I will advise him to hire you. Of course, you will have to start with the minimum salary, but then it will increase a lot. Don't worry. I'm fine with that. I really appreciate your consideration. I will do my best. I promise. I'm sure about that. Well, thanks for coming today, and I will see you probably tomorrow. We'll call you. Excellent. Thank you so much. I really hope you have a great day. I hope you liked this conversation. If you could improve your English a little more, please subscribe to the channel and share this video with a friend. And if you want to support this channel, you can join us or click on the Super Thanks button. Thank you very much for your support. Take care.